What up, I'm Rob Level, and I'd like to thank you for watching today, because I'm going to inspire you. I'm going to motivate you. So I'd like to thank you for letting me do that. That's what I like doing, so let's get into it. I'm going to do some math for you, because when math shows me success, it's always fun. I love this. You're going to like this. This is how 99% of people spend their entire days, their entire life. Let's break this down. Watch this. You're going to learn so much. Most people work or they're in school for 8 hours a day. They sleep for 8 hours a day. And that's if, you know, they're not hustlers. And then they're doing nothing productive with the other 8 hours, right? Something like they watch TV, they play video games, they talk to friends, they hang out with friends, they drink or they smoke or they just eat or they just go and chill or they're driving somewhere to do nothing, right? Even thinking of that sentence made me sick to my stomach because it's such a huge waste of human life. I can feel the excuses people make to do those things. I deserve a break. Everyone needs rest and to relax. You sleep for a third of your day. What do you think you're doing when you're sleeping, you lazy bitch? I need to relax. You slept for a third of the day.
Let's keep it real, man.
You can see how frustrated I get. All I do is hustle. It is 9:41 p.m. I've been shooting videos for 6 hours, okay? I don't stop, and that's why I'm where I'm at.
I'm the chosen one.
Oh, shit. It's like, I need rest. What do you think sleeping is? Come on. Like, sorry, I just get annoyed by the amount of people who tell me that I work too much. This happened today. They tell me I work too much and I need a break and to relax sometimes. That's so that they say that because they want to hang out with me. And I tell people, oh, I can't hang out. I gotta work, I gotta do this. They tell me I need a break. I gotta relax sometimes.
No.
They tell me I work so hard that, I deserve it. What? Yeah, I did. And that's why I'm here, because I don't stop, right? And that's why you're there, because you think that it's true that you need to relax and shit all day. And you try to rub that off on other people like, you need a break. You need a break. Bitch, no, I don't. Okay? Life is about balance. And I know exactly how to balance my life, where I'm consistently working super hard, X amount of the time, okay? Then even in the down moments, such as eating lunch, I'm still getting work done by listening to audiobooks, I'm taking courses and learning, I'm watching informational videos, then after lunch, I'm back on the super hard work until dinner where it repeats, okay? It's ups and downs, and it's all about balancing it properly. You don't need to stop and chill. Listen to this. If all of the people who are working 8 hours a day think that those 8 hours at the job are bringing them closer to their dreams, good for them. Yeah. But if you spend your other 8 hours a day working on things directly aligned with your dreams when you're not at work, you will reach your dreams in 2 years instead of in 4 years. Think about how 4 years sounds like forever. Like, you could really be somewhere amazing within just 2 years, and that isn't that far away from this moment. And the way that you do that is you take what lazy people call free time and you start calling it goal time. Ow! It's that easy. Stop making excuses and saying you need to chill. Again, you say you need rest? What the hell do you think sleep is? Again, 8 hours sleeping, 8 hours working, you have 8 hours left in the day. Even if you cut out the other things, you still have 6 hours left in your day. If anything, a minimum of 4 hours. If you're not spending that time doing something that's gonna progress you towards your dreams and goals, you don't really want it. It's that simple. It's basic math, 24 hours in a day. Make time to chase your dreams, right? Because if people really want it, they're out there doing it. And you can see where it got me. I don't stop. You don't need to stop either. Stop making excuses. Find your balance that works for you. Put in those hours every day. Start small. Start with an hour. Move it to 2, move it to 3, move it to 4. You're gonna see. You're gonna watch yourself progress. That's what this video is for. Okay? So I hope it motivated you. I hope it inspired you. I'm not downing anybody, but I just know you can do more. Because I believe in everybody. Especially somebody who made it all the way to the end of this video without getting offended and is actually feeling the type of way. Like, man, he's right. Because you're the type of person who understands. You can really do it, man. Just gotta put that work in. I'm Rob Level. Keep hustling. Put that work in. And I'll see you at the top.
Did I get my money straight? Fill my grammar plate. Am I underpaid, deserving more breaks? Guilty. Did I break it up? Cutting case the cuffs. Am I better now or because you in the dust? Guilty. Do I got a lot of regrets? Traded for the checks. Am I super stressed thinking what's next? Guilty. Did I hit the lot, hit the mall, hit the shop, earn every single thing that I got? Guilty. Filthy.